and welcome back to my channel. Many of us are so addicted to shoes and we go so crazy when we see a gorgeous new pair at the store that we just walk in, buy it without even properly trying it on. And when we reach home and actually put it on, we realize that they are too tight or a size smaller. Or sometimes we order shoes online and when they actually arrive, we realize that the size varies and they are too tight or a size smaller. Or sometimes our feet outgrow our favorite pair of shoes. So what do we do in these cases, guys? We get very upset and we are compelled to do away with our favorite shoes. But not anymore, guys. You don't have to part with your favorite shoes because today in this video I'll be showing you two very simple methods of how you can make your tight shoes loose or increase the size of your shoes and make them bigger. So before I reveal the secret to you guys, make sure that you subscribe to my channel and hit on the bell icon so that you get notified each time I post a new video. Also, do share this video with all your friends and family because some of them may really need this right now. So now, without wasting any more time, let's get into the video. So for the first step, you're gonna need thick socks and of course the shoes you'd like to increase the size of. Now guys, if you don't have thick socks, not an issue. You could layer up 2 to 3 socks and that would do the work too. So let's begin.
So grab your pair of socks and wear them on. Then slide your feet into your shoes. And then guys, you'll have to walk around wearing these shoes. You can wear these while doing your daily chores or while just moving around and going about doing your daily task, and you'll have to repeat this for 2 to 3 days to get the results.
So guys, if you're still not happy with the result, you can try this second method. This method works like magic. All you need for this method is your thick socks once again, or you can use 2 or 3 pairs of socks, your shoes obviously, and a hair dryer. Yes guys, this thing can do a lot more than just style your locks. So let's begin.
So guys, then once again grab your socks, put them on. Then slide your feet into your shoes and then grab the hair dryer, put it on to the highest heat and blow the hot air over your shoes like so. Concentrate more on the areas that you want to loosen up a bit more. Make sure to flex your feet and move your toes whilst you blast the hot air over your shoes. Continue this for 5 to 10 minutes. And then you can either walk around in these shoes till they cool down, or you could simply continue wearing it and just relax till it cools down. And there you go, my tight shoes are now much loose. I've achieved an increase in the size of my shoes and they are much more comfortable now.
So that's it for this video guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like this video, hit on the thumbs up button and leave your valuable comments in the comment section below. Also, don't forget to hit on the subscribe button and hit on the bell icon so that you get notified each time I post a new video. I'll see you guys next time with more such great videos. Till then, bye.